If you've got one of these Bosch weed whackers, this is known as a corded brush cutter, then you might think you need a new blade. But did you know that these blades are reversible? So this is going to spin in one direction, so you're always going to be hitting the same part of the blades on the 3 bits here. But you can actually spin this over. We also have a cutting edge on the other side here. So you can see we have a lot of wear here, here, and we will have a lot of wear here as well. But this side here is all fresh, so we can just swap it over. Obviously make sure that the brush cutter, the weed whacker, is unplugged before you do any of this. So to swap it over, what you need to do is you need to get the tools that came with your appliance. And if you have a look at the side, we have a little hole here. And you can see that part of it allows you to put the axle into. So right now I can't put the axle in very far because it stops right there. But if I was to move it just a little bit more to there, I can put the axle in. Yeah. It's also the same on the other side as well. So we have the hole there, and you can see there. So if I was to put it here, it's going to go in. Here it's not. You need to put it so that it's going in there. It kind of allows you to undo the nut without this spinning here. So what we need to do is, you need to come to this part here, and it's reverse thread. So we don't go to the left counterclockwise to loosen, we're going to be going to the right, so we're going to be going clockwise to loosen. So if I put it here, and if I put this in here, like so, I'm going to go clockwise to loosen. There we go. There. So it's the opposite to what you would normally do. So I'm going to take that out completely. I'm going to take this off here, and simply I'm going to swap the blade around like that. And now can you see that these ones here are all fresh? So we've got nice fresh blades there. And we're going to pop it back on. And we're going to be doing this again opposite to what you would normally do. So we're going counterclockwise to tighten it. Just doing it by hand to begin with. Going to put that in there to lock it. Put the tool back on and just go counterclockwise. And now that is the same as having a new blade on there, because you've got 3 new cutting sides to that there. So before you go out and buy a new one, just make sure that you have reversed it, because you're going to get twice the life out of it. Obviously, if you're not used to working with tools, or even if you are, you should be putting the protective blade around this one here. Then if you did slip when you were trying to undo the nut, you wouldn't cut yourself so badly. And if you haven't done it before, these are the instructions to show you what I've just done here. It tells you to make sure that this part is in the center here. Also make sure that the blade itself is centralized. You don't want that off to one side either. So you can pause the video and you can have a read up about how that works there. I hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.